Mae hwnna'n edrych yn gret. Bye!
Ti wedi gweld hwnna?
Mae'n mor doniol.
Oh my god.
Llun mae hyn wedi rhoi ar Facebook.
God, mae'n afia.
Dwi'n gwybod.
Mae gen i syniad.
Ie, gret.
Ti di fewn hwyl ni? Rhaid, ydw i 2 munud ydw ni, diolch. Ti eisiau eista?
Nes i ddod llun ar Facebook a mae pawb wedi fel ffrind fo a maen nhw'n gyd yn gwerthu'n ar ben fi a pam maen nhw gyd wedi siarad fo.
Dwi'n meddwl, da ni wedi gwneud gwaith amdan hyn a mae yna lle sy'n gallu mynd ati i drafod trais a mae angen ti newid y Facebook settings. Ti eisiau fi ddangos ti sydd wedi gwneud?
Iawn, diolch.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Upon that hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry,